In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change language in NotebookLM. NotebookLM doesn't have a separate language switch inside the app. Instead, it inherits whatever language is set on your Google account. That means the fastest, most reliable way to change NotebookLM's language is to update your Google account preference and then reload NotebookLM. Start by opening NotebookLM in your browser at notebooklm.google.com. Make sure you're signed into the same Google account you use for your notebooks. If you use multiple accounts in the same browser, take a second to confirm you're on the right one by checking the profile picture in the top corner. Noting the current interface language now will make it easy to confirm the change later. Next, open your Google account settings in a new tab. You can go directly to myaccount.google.com or from any Google page, click your profile picture and choose Manage your Google account. Once you're in your account dashboard, head to the Personal Info section. On desktop, you'll see it in the left sidebar. On mobile, you may need to open the menu first. This is where Google stores your basic details and general preferences that apply across services. In Personal Info, look for General Preferences for the web and select Language. You'll see your current preferred language displayed. Click the Edit option next to it. A search box appears so you can find exactly the language you want to use. Begin typing the language name and choose the precise regional variant that fits your needs. For example, English, United Kingdom, instead of English, United States, or Portuguese, Brazil, instead of Portuguese, Portugal. Picking the right variant ensures things like dates, numbers, and spelling follow the conventions you expect. When you've made your selection, click Save to confirm. This updates your account-wide language, which many Google products pick up almost immediately. Now go back to the NotebookLM tab and refresh the page. Use your browser's reload button or press Ctrl or CMD+R. After the reload, the NotebookLM interface, menus, buttons, prompts, and system messages should appear in your newly selected language. Your existing notes and sources won't change. Only the interface language is affected. If you don't see the update right away, give it a moment and refresh again. Also verify you're still signed in with the same Google account where you changed the language, especially if you juggle multiple accounts. Short delays can happen as settings sync across services. That's the whole process. Open NotebookLM, update your Google account language and personal info, save it, then refresh NotebookLM to apply the change. Enjoy using NotebookLM in the language that works best for you.